Welcome to Chemistry TV. Now let's focus our attention on ID gas equation calculation. JAMB Chemistry class exam possible questions. So these are, I just want to explain the ID gas equation, right? ID gas equation, because some of you don't really know how to solve problem when it comes to gas ID gas equation. You know how to solve problem on Boyle's law, Sharp's law, Avogadro's law, and the rest, right? But you don't know how to solve question on ID gas equation. And these three questions are from the ID gas equation and they are JAMB past questions. So I want to really show you how to solve different questions on ID gas equation, that exam possible question. Now, if you are seeing this video before before your JAMB examination, if you are still having issue with JAMB chemistry calculation, right? If you still have issue with JAMB chemistry calculation, join our 10 days intensive calculation marathon class. In 10 days, you have to cover every single aspect of chemistry calculation. Now today is 20th of February 2025. I go to end. We are going to start today. I go to end on the 10th or on the 2nd of March. Yeah, 2nd of March. So which is going to be about 10 days or 11 days just now. And in this 10 days here, you have to cover every single calculation aspect. Just now, if you have seen this video after this class here, you can send me a message, right? And the class can still be available for you. How much is the fee? The fee is just 2,500. Make sure you join the class and cover the whole calculation aspect. Just now, let's get into it. Now, they say that 0.79 gram of a gas at STP occupies volume of 250 cm3. What is the relative molecular mass of the gas? Just that they ask you to calculate what the relative molecular mass of the gas. So how do you do that? Yes, solution. Right there. Now, when you see gram of a gas at STP, now immediately you see gram, understand that you are using what? The ID gas equation, which is what? PV equals what? N RT. Right there. Here is the pressure of the gas. Here is the volume of the gas. Here is what is mole of the gas. Here is what is the gas constant. Here is what is the temperature. Just that is it. Now, when you talk about ID gas equation, there's a constant. This R is constant, which is what? 0.0821 atm dm³ per mole per watt per Kelvin. Just so you always put this one in your mind when you're solving ID gas question, right? 0.081 atm dm³ per mole per watt per dm³. In some cases, you see it as dm as liter. dm³ and liter, they are the same thing. Just so let's have a question here. This is at 0.79 gram of a gas at STP occupies. So mass, they give us mass of the gas. Mass of gas to be what? Mass of gas to be what? To be what? 0.79 gram at STP. At STP. What do you understand by STP? Standard temperature pressure. Just standard temperature and pressure, right? Now they give me what? The volume here. Volume is equals to what? 250 what? cm³. Just now I have to convert this cm³ to dm³ because the constant already have dm³. So whenever ID gas equation is given to you and they give you cm³, you have to convert to dm³ by divide by 1000. If you divide by 1000, I got 0.25 dm³. Do you understand? So we're talking about, if you check very well, they only give us what? The mass and the what? And the volume here. They say you calculate what? They say you will calculate the molar mass of the gas, right? Now if you check very, how do you not get temperature? How do you get temperature? Temperature will be what? 273 Kelvin. Do you understand? At standard temperature and pressure, temperature is always what? 273 Kelvin. So here we have 273 watts Kelvin, right? Now what about my pressure? My pressure is going to be what? 1 atm. 1 what? 1 atm. Do you understand? As easy as that. 1 atm. So what are we going to do here? Now remember, we have been asked to calculate what? The mass, but here we have what? Mole. But we know that mole, because they say we calculate. You have been asked to calculate what? Molar mass, right? Now, but remember, mole equals what? Mass what molar mass. Do you understand? N equals to mass over what molar mass. What does it mean? It means that in the place of this mole here, I'll put what mass for molar mass. So let me just come out over here. So going to be PV equals to what? My N is what? Is now my mass over what molar mass. So you have mass about molar mass times R what T. So the idea now, here's the idea. The idea is to what make molar mass the subject of formula. Just so if you should look at this very well, yeah, go dot PV times molar mass equals to mass times what ROT, right? Divide both sides by what? PV, right? So my molar mass is equals to what? Mass times what? ROT over what? PV. Just understand? So what I want to do here is what? My mass here, what is my mass here? 0.97 0.79 times. What is my R here? My R is 0.0821 times. What is my T? My T is what? 273 over. My P is what? 1 atm. Do you understand? 1 atm. So you have 1 times. My volume is what? What is my volume? My volume is what? 0.25. 0.25. Do you see that? So what I want to do here is so what? Get your calculator to get your answer. Here now I was 0.79 times 0.0821 times 273, right? Divided by 1 times 0.25. So yeah, I'm going to have my molar mass here. My molar mass is now going to be what? 70.8, approximately what? 71 gram per watt per mole. Now the unit of molar mass is what? 71 gram per mole. So the option here is what? Is D. Do you understand? That is it, as easy as this. It's not difficult. So it's not difficult. This is not the what? This is not the what? The answer, right? So let me wipe this place here. Hope you understand, right? Now, if I should decide to what? Change this value here, let us change value here. So let us change this value. Let's change this value here, right? Let us say here we have 0.88 gram, and here we have 480 cm cube. Just that. Go ahead and solve this question for me. Go ahead and solve this question for me. So we are done what with the first one. Just and we are done with the first one. Let's look at what the second question. Look at what. So these are type of calculation we are going to solve in our 10 days marathon class. Just and so we have to cover every single calculation aspect in JAMB. In JAMB what? We have to cover every single aspect in what? In JAMB chemistry. Every single aspect. More concepts, geometry, solubility. We have to cover every single aspect. Class principle and gas laws. Still going to cover everything about gas laws. So this is just one aspect of gas laws, but we are going to cover every single aspect of gas laws. So that's why I want to sign up for the 10 days marathon class. 10 days marathon class. In that 10 days, you want to cover everything. How much is the fee? 2,500. So let me look at what the second question here. Look at what the second question. Now, if you look at the second question, you see that what a gas occupies 750 dm cube at STP. What volume it occupies at 727 degree and 950 meter watt mercury. So this is not ID gas equation. This is called general gas equation. If you check it very well, a gas occupies 750 dm cube at STP. Now, this statement here is going to be my initial volume, my initial temperature, and my initial water pressure. Do you understand? So it's going to be what? V1 equals to what? 750 dm cube. Do you understand? Now at STP means standard temperature and pressure. So here we have T1 and what? P1 is okay. My T1 is going to be what? 273. Do you understand? 273. Do you understand? 273. So it's going to be 273 what? Kelvin. Do you understand? What will that be my P1? Remember, when it comes to pressure here, 1 atm is equal to what? 760 what millimeter what mercury. Do you understand? So my P1 will be what? 760 what millimeter what mercury. Do you understand? So it will be 760 what millimeter what mercury. Right? Now, why are we using what are they what V1, T1, T1? If you check it very well, you see that a gas occupies 750 dm at STP. So these are what my initials. Now say what volume will it occupy at what volume? So V2, right? My temperature T1, T2, right? Let me pack them. Just pack it and bring it here. The light. Let me pack it and keep it here. So here we have 27 degrees centigrade, right? Now remember, when I have degrees centigrade here, you have to convert to what to Kelvin, right? So 27 plus 273. Here we have what 300. Here we have what 300 what Kelvin, right? So when you say now my pressure, which is what P2 now is what 950 what millimeter what mercury. Do you see that? So I have to use the general gas equation. We have to use what general gas equation. So which is going to be P1 V1 about T1 equals to what P2 V2 over what parameters. So the idea is that let's make this guy solve the formula here. Yes, please. Yeah. V2, right? If you make V2 solve formula, you got V2 equals to what? This times this, right? P1 V1 T2 over, right? P2 T1. Just that. What I want to do here, so we'll substitute your values, right? My P1, what is my P1? My P1 is what? 950 times. My V1 is what? Is 75, right? Times. My T2, what is my T2? My T2 is what? 300 over, right? My P1, my P2 is what? So my P1 is what? 760. There we are. 760, right? So my P2 is what? 950 times. My T1 is what? My T1. Where's my T1? 273. Do you see that? So let's use our calculator to get our values. 760 times 75 times 300 divided by, here we have 950 times 273. So we have 65.9. 65.9. So that is the answer. 65.9 dm cube. Do you see that? 65.9 dm cube. What's the answer? What's the option here? This is what the correct option. Just now. So we have solved question 1, question 2, and what question 3. So let's know what question. Okay, we have solved question 1, question 2. Let me to what question 3. Audience, please, if you are following this class, leave a comment section that you are following this class. And this class, if this video is helpful, leave a comment section that this video is what is helpful. So, and you can kindly share this video to your friends. Please share this video to your friends and copy the link and drop it in your various group chats so that others who are also writing JAMB can also take part in this class here and suggest or recommend chemistry for them so that they too can also be part of what this matter class you are looking at they are doing here. So let's look at what the third question. Look at what the third question here. So look at what the third question. Right? Look at what the third question here. So that a pressure exerted by a sample of a gas confined in 5.86 dm cube container at 20 degrees centigrade is 4.1 atm. What is the numbers of mole of the gas? Right? Very easy. So volume here there's no V1 and V2. Just pay attention here. There's no V1 and V2. So my volume is what is 5.86 dm cube. Can you see that? My temperature is my T is what 20 degrees centigrade. Remember, The reason will always be converted to Kelvin. And when you convert it, you add what 273, right? So 20 plus 273, here we have what? Here we have 293 what Kelvin, right? So my pressure, which is what? My pressure is what? 4.18 cm. My gas constant here, it was given to me as RO equals to what? 0.0821 atm dm cube per mole per what per Kelvin. Do you see that? So what let's say you should look for n numbers of moles, right? So I'll just do the calculation here. So here we have PV equals to what? N RO what T. This is that. So the goal is to what? Make N the subject of formula here. So we're going to be N. So we show RO T. This cancel out this one here, right? So my N equals to what? PV what? RO what T. What's my P? My P is what? 4.1 times. My V is what? 5.86 over. My RO is what? 0.0821 times. What is my T? My T is what? 293. This is that. So what I want to do here is use your calculator to punch your answer. Here you have 4.1 times 5.86, right? Divided by 0.0821 times 293, right? So you have 0.99. So you have 0.99, approximately what? 1 watt mole. So let's check if we are okay. I didn't put the options there, so the options are not there. So this is not what the answer. You can see how easy it is for you to solve gas laws. Now, if you are still having issues with the chemistry calculation aspects in JAMB syllabus, join my 10 days marathon class. That will be of great help to you. The class starts the 20th of February to 2nd of March. Just send me a DM. How much is the fee? 2,500. In case you see this video after we have finished class, also send me a DM that the 10 days marathon class you like to take part of fees. Then I will know what to do for you. Just so send me a DM now. Then you be added to the group chat when you make your payment. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Please share this video to all your friends. Learning what chemistry.